If you have ever looked at financial news and wondered what a basis point is, you are in the right place. Let's simplify it. In finance, we use the term basis point, or BPS, to describe tiny changes in interest rates or bond yields. The math is straightforward. 1 basis point is defined as 1/100th of 1%. Why not just use percentages? Because when interest rates move by small amounts, using basis points avoids confusion and keeps communication precise. When financial experts talk about interest rates, they rarely use simple percentages. Here is why basis points are the secret language of the market. For example, 1/4% is 25 basis points, 0.5% is 50 basis points, it is just a different scale. The golden rule is simple: 100 basis points always equals 1%. Keep that in mind when reading financial headlines. Now you can speak the language of the markets. Save this video for later if you need a quick refresher. See you next time.